Welcome to the ETCISO SecuFest 2026, bringing together India's leading cybersecurity decision makers. I'm Kritika Agnihotri and I'm here with CATO Networks. Welcome, sir. Welcome to the summit.
Hi, Kritika.
Sir, I would want you to introduce yourself and your role at the organization.
My name is Harshpal. I'm driving the pieces engagement for the CATO Networks here in India. Um, just a little bit about the company. So, CATO is founded in 2015 with the vision of doing the consolidation across the network and security and building something unique which can simplify the cybersecurity for the customers across these small or big organizations.
Thank you so much for joining us today with such a big legacy of more than a decade in the industry. Congratulations. I would want to understand how do you see the challenges in the cybersecurity space in today's digital era?
So you have seen that in the past, a lot of technologies has come in order to meet the different expectation or different business requirement. The customer has adopted the different point product solutions, right? And we have seen a lot of transformation has happened in industry where we had the legacy data centers. Then basically there's an era of like the UTMs or the application moved to the public cloud, the SaaS application. As soon as the application was moving across, the security was also shifting, right? And that is where what has happened is in industry in the past is customer has adopted the multiple point product solution in order to meet the multiple business requirement. This has created a lot of mesh into the organization. Now, if you see today, there are more than 3,000 cybersecurity vendors across, and for the CISOs, for the organization, it's being very difficult to decide what should be the right strategy to simplify the network and security. So, I think this remains one of the biggest challenge for the organization. How do we simplify the network and security? And with the emerging threats which is coming up with the AI, how do we deal with those upcoming threats? I think that remains to be one of the biggest challenge in my opinion.
Definitely. And how is CATO Networks targeting this problem statement and what is the solution that they are providing?
I think see one of the key differentiator of the CATO is CATO built with a broad vision of simplifying the network security. That was the whole idea. Eventually, the idea of CATO was to build a platform of the which is something like AWS, right, of network and security. This is what we started doing it, and eventually we'll end up into the space of the SASE, right? When the Slomo started the company, idea was not to build in SASE because there was no SASE was terminology is coined by the Gartner. Gartner coined the terminology in 2019, right? And now we are seeing that the customer when have the multiple point solutions, right? The customers are looking to simplify the networking security. We are actually helping the customer to do a lot of consolidation starting from the branch side of it, be it is replacing your legacy firewalls, right, where customers having lot of issues with firewall upgrades, right, sizing the capacity problem, upgrade patch management, replacing those firewalls from the capex to the opex service based model, which is one of our USP. And then you look at from the endpoint security side, you got the SSE piece of it, and then basically EDRs. You want to have the threat intelligence across from the network layer, from the endpoint layer, then you need an XDR, right? So whole idea is of the CATO is how much we can do the consolidation, and instead of customers having the multiple skill set, multiple point product solution, he can just use one solution to basically simplify the network and security. That's the idea of the CATO, and I think that is where we are actually helping the customer to do a lot of consolidations and make the network security as simple as possible.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for sharing that with us. So, how was your experience at the summit
Well,
today? And
it's always been a great opportunity to join the ET event. I've been into the past as well. It's always a great experience to meet the industry leaders, understanding their challenges, and then sharing our thought, and then basically finally take it to the next level of the further business engagement.
I'm glad that you had such a good time, and I hope that continues further. Thank you so much.
Thank you.